The era of shooting videos from a stationary tripod or a couple of tripods is long gone. Today, the most interesting and appealing videos are shot, created using new kinds of motion, aerial footages, steadicams, time-lapse and hyperlapse, and/or sliders. First, videographers must not be in planes or helicopters to create good aerial footages. The development of remote-controlled drones provides video makers with inexpensive ways of getting their GoPros or DSLRs airborne to shoot videos. The results from such technologies are as good as those obtained from helicopters or planes flying through buildings and other places. Second, the Steadicam helps in eliminating shaking and rolling when a person walks or runs when shooting the video. Even though they were introduced in 1976, Steadicams remain one of the most important tools in creating top videos. When the shaking of the body, when in motion, is eliminated, one can create clear videos in which all details are captured without any jarring effects. The video maker can shoot alongside the subject as they run or walk so as to give them the sense that they are in action. As such, the subject will act in the right way while the video maker will eliminate any undesired effects related to motion. Third, the techniques of hyperlapse and time-lapse help bring great effects to videos being created. In time-lapse, the action scene is speeded up but the camera remains static or moves very short distances. The movement of the camera is often under the control of motorized rigs which are only capable of subtle movements. On the other hand, hyperlapse enables the camera to move considerable distance to provide perfect videos regardless of the motion paths or angle changes of the camera. In simpler terms, both time-lapse and hyperlapse are the same except that the latter gas no limitations on motion. In general, the changes brought about by time-lapse or hyperlapse are subtle, but the outcomes are remarkably interesting and appealing to audiences. Lastly, the sliders are mounted on tripods to allow the camera to be moved smoothly through scenes. The sliders are mounted on the tripods to emulate the technique used by big film crew professionals to achieve greater results for their videos.